Hello and thank you for watching this video. I'm Danilo from Telnyx and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Telnyx AI Assistant, a conversational AI solution purpose-built to automate high-value interactions over voice and messaging channels. It operates natively over Telnyx infrastructure, giving you end-to-end control over media, call logic, and real-time AI processing. This makes it not only powerful but uniquely scalable and programmable. To show you what this looks like in action, I'll walk you through a real-world implementation. Your bank assistant is a secure AI-powered financial assistant built for a banking customer support environment. Let's have a look at it.
Hello, I'm Hank, your financial assistant. I'm here to support you with anything related to your account, whether you need your current balance or recent statement, or help regaining access. To get started, may I have your full name, and how can I assist you today?
Hello, I'm Marcos Vieira. I want to know my balance, please.
Thank you, Marcos Vieira. To proceed with your balance inquiry, could you please provide your secure passphrase? It's made up of 3 words.
Green Coral 88.
Thank you for providing your passphrase. Please allow me a moment to verify your information. Your current balance is $985. Would you like to view recent transactions as well?
Yes, please. Can you tell me the last 2?
Here are your 2 most recent transactions for your savings account. 1. Incoming transfer, bank transfer from Joho P. $1,000. 2. Account fee, a monthly maintenance fee $15. If you need further assistance or a full statement, feel free to let me know.
Okay, thank you. No, just I want to talk to someone from the, let's say, support, because I need to ask something. Let's have a look at the one we just presented. So, clicking here on the edit button, we can see the name we gave, we can see the model that was chosen. And if you see, you can select among different models, like the famous one, and for each of them, if you need to apply for an API key to have an external connection, you can simply input this value here in the API key. We have the instruction set here where you can select section 1, role and behavior. Then we have the section 2 where we present the use cases and the intents, and last is section 3 where we are talking about the assistant behavioral rules. In each of them you can see we can present actions and other features. In this case, in the action, our bank assistant is trying to gather the information we need for the authentication. Once the information are there, we can use tools like find the user and other similar tools that we can see later, and those tools are able to do also things like retrieve user data, but just after and only after the verification. Here we have the greetings, so the presentation of the AI assistant to the caller, where we introduce ourselves and we say to the caller what we are looking for to start the conversation. We were talking about the tools. The tools here, as you can see, we have webhook, retrieval, send DTMF, and other. But what we are going to use today is the transfer tool, because in one of the actions here we told the system, in case of let's say unexpected situation, you can transfer the call to the agent, or if the caller is asking for an agent, you can transfer the call. Then we have the hang up action and tool, which is the one that is hanging up the call at the end or at some point if some incident happens. And then we have those webhooks. Webhooks are nice because they allow you to interact with the external world, such as a database or such as an external data information you want to retrieve from an API-based system. So simply, for instance, adding a webhook allows you to select a name, a description, a method, and then the URL, of course, but then you can also play with the headers. So for instance, if you want to add any authentication key, you can put this here. You can also set some path parameters. query parameters and also body parameters, like the one you wanted to transmit using this tool. Once you are done with this, the system is ready to operate, and then the next thing you want to do is select the voice. The voice is exactly what it says here, is the way the system presents you and the tone of the person is using in this interaction. In this case, we are using Telnyx with the model, natural, and the voice of Rob, but you can select also here among others. The results show the ability to select the transcription model. Here we selected OpenAI Whisper. The system is able to gather sentiment and to summarize conversation in insights so that this can be reused in future contexts. One of the important things in this case is the ability to connect the AI assistant to a phone number so that you can call the phone number, or in any case, your assistant can call from this number. It's interesting also to see the ability to send SMS, so to enable the messaging feature for this AI assistant. Here in the advanced, you have also information and setting related to the privacy. For instance, in a case like this, since we are treating with sensible data, we want to use maybe do not retain as a privacy, so no conversation history or insight will be stored. But on the other side, the conversation history is important for you to debug, especially at the initial stage, where you can see during the call, this is the last one we attempted, the conversation, how it went. We can see also the calls, so the tools that were used, the insight generated along the path, the metadata of the code, and at the end we saw there was also some dynamic variable collected along the path. So altogether, these are giving you full control of this AI assistant so that you can build up your own bot and AI assistant in the way you prefer.